If you're running Performance Max and you feel like you're just burning money with no results, this video is for you. You're going to learn about the structure of a Performance Max campaign. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your campaign smarter, optimize faster, and you'll get way better results than your competition. Being familiar with Google Ads, you may be used to the old campaign structures, but Performance Max is different. This can throw people off if they're expecting things to be the same way, so let's start with the basics. The first thing you need to understand is asset groups. In Performance Max campaigns, everything revolves around asset groups. These groups replace the traditional ad groups you may be used to. Think of an asset group as a collection of your ad components, also called assets. These assets include ad headlines and descriptions, images, logos, videos, products, and more. Google uses each of these assets to create dynamic ads on its platform. You can have one asset group in your PMax campaign, or you can have all the way up to 100. The difference between each one is the assets that you add to them. By the way, I made a video for you guys showing you how to set up these asset groups for optimal performance in another video in this PMax series. I'll leave a link to that down below. By the way, guys, I've noticed a lot of you struggling with your Performance Max campaigns or getting them to bring in profits, so that's why we created the KeyCommerce Academy. It's a community where e-com store owners just like you come together, share tips, and help each other out. You'll get access to step-by-step courses, weekly coaching calls, and support from me and my team. We'll help you fix any Google Ads problems, Meta ad problems, and fix your e-commerce store. I'll leave a link down below, so go and check it out. Next, let's look at listing groups. They are within asset groups in PMax. If you're familiar with product groups in shopping campaigns, listing groups are quite similar. They're simply collections of products from your store's catalog. Your listing group within an asset group can be left as all products, which is the default setup. You can also break it down by product attributes, such as brand, product category, or custom label. There are many options to consider. Finally, let's talk about how the settings of your PMax campaigns are applied. The following are applied at the campaign level, so they affect all the asset groups within: budget, bidding strategy, conversion goals, location and language targeting, and the options of bidding differently for new customer acquisition, allowing for automatically created assets, and final URL expansion. I cover all the settings in detail in the videos that come next in this PMax series. Be sure to subscribe and check the description for the other videos in this PMax series. You'll always find up-to-date information on our channel. For example, as I'm recording this, Google just announced that negatives will be available to be applied at the campaign level in PMax. So I'll add that here to the list. Now, of course, there are settings that apply to the asset groups as well. These can and should be set differently per asset group. They are the assets that you create, audience signals and search themes, and the final URL, which is the primary landing page that your asset group is set to. All of these settings are important and can significantly affect your success with PMax. Learning how to best set them starts with this fundamental understanding of how Performance Max campaigns are structured. I hope this video helps you learn that structure. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and looking forward to seeing you soon. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.